What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I wanted to make a quick video on in my opinion, 3 important tips for beginner drivers. These tips I wish I've known before it happened to me, like the consequences happened to me. Okay, not bad ones, but you know, I'm gonna get to it. First one, gloves. I can't stress enough on how important it is for a truck driver to have gloves. Now, I can't speak for everybody. I just so happen to have office fingers, office hands, like soft fingers. So what happened was I ended up driving for a while without gloves, and I got this thing called carpal tunnel. It's where your hands start to feel like there's needles poking in. So whenever I start touching the steering wheel, my hands start to hurt. Luckily I didn't get surgery or anything like that. I just got me like one of those massagers for my hand, and eventually just started wearing gloves, and it just went away kind of. But if I drive without gloves for a bit, I will start to get that feeling again. So first thing I recommend for beginner drivers, please get gloves. Please get gloves, because these things keep your hands soft. It keeps your hands like, I can't explain. When you're holding the steering wheel for a while, your hands start to feel cramped up without gloves on, and it kind of softens the blow a bit. So these gloves I have, this is not a sponsored deal, obviously. These are called Copper Fit. Now these have copper infused material with the glove, so it's beneficial for people with carpal tunnel or whatnot. So I recommend these, called Copper Fit. And I also have this, it's like a bike glove for my right hand. I don't know why, it's just kind of like when I shift, I don't know, it's just personal preference. But look into getting gloves, that's one thing I recommend. Number 2 is a spinner. Now when I first came into the game, I didn't know what the heck this was. I didn't even know it was a spinner. It's called, apparently the slogan of this knob is called a spinner. So any of you guys that are driving without one of these, I highly recommend you drive with this, because overall, not with just parking, but like moving around in the yard, you can move this bad boy anywhere as fast as you want, when you want, on a dime. If you don't have this, you're kind of like fighting it, and you gotta go to the right, gotta go to the left. It's too much, you know, you're doing too much. So that being said, number 2, get a spinner. Look into getting it. It's cheap too, it's not expensive, it's very cheap. So look into getting that. Number 3 is, this one's gonna be a little, I'm not sure if any of you guys could relate, but I'm a tall guy. I'm about 5'11", 6 foot, and I have long legs. So what happened with me for a while is I used to drive without cruise control, for one, and I used to drive close up and have my knee in this position, this certain position. I'm gonna explain what I'm talking about while I'm talking. So I had my knee in this position for a while, close to the steering wheel and at a 90-degree turn, or a 90-degree angle. And what I would do is I would have my foot to the pedal without using cruise control for a while. And I would get close, I wouldn't stretch my legs out, and then all of a sudden I started feeling pain on my right knee. Now I started doing some research, and apparently it's called gas pedal knee. Now I don't know, I did research, it is real, it's a real thing, people talk about it. I'm not sure if any of you guys can relate or have had this sensation where your knee feels like it's kind of getting like this pain all out of nowhere when you're like at a 90-degree angle for a while. I truly believe it started getting pain because I didn't have this all the way back. I didn't stretch out my leg, and I wasn't using cruise control at all. I would just go, I was close up, had my knee way too like at a 90-degree, and I was just stepping on the pedal the whole time, no cruise control. So again, guys, I want to make this quick. Those are my opinions of the important tip for beginner drivers. I truly recommend getting gloves, a spinner, and stretch your legs out while you're driving, like how I'm showing you guys in the video. Kind of have your legs stretched out, because this is not an automatic. This is a 10-speed. So I have to finesse my leg between the pedals to kind of stretch out my right leg, so it can kind of like stretch out, and I don't have that pain feeling anymore. But nonetheless, guys, Stay tuned for more videos. I actually enjoy making these videos. If any of you guys have any more ideas of what kind of tips you guys want me to give out, or anything y'all would like to see, just let me know. Comment below, or just let me know via Instagram, whatever. It doesn't matter to me. But nonetheless, I'll catch you guys around the next one. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.